Oh, sup? There's another person. What's up, other person?
Hey,
Let's see. If I. Oh, yeah, I wanted to do a frickin' quantization one the other day, didn't I? Weird. Let's see. Perfectly timed samples. I love it. How's it going, Aditya? I don't think have we met before, or did you? Were you on one of the hackathons? Name seems a little familiar.
no, I saw a post telling that you basically like do paper implementation here, so I was like,
If it is, then we'll be good to go.
oh, so what is this meeting about?
Well, I think the plan is for today, or like, so last week, I think what we tried to get running was regular Mamba, um,
Okay.
and ended up being able to get that running. So now, since we're kind of on the Mamba train, I'm thinking about uh, if there are more Mamba things to do, and there are a ton of like Mamba iterations already. So I figure
I
probably a
see.
good place to start. And then generally the format is I have a Jupyter lab with some cards attached to it, and then there's like a login for this event. And then if you're doing open source stuff, there's a form you can fill out if you want like your own login or whatever. Um,
Oh, okay.
but yeah, that's the plan. So I gotta go find one of the Mamba papers. Let's see. So in order to hopefully one that has code, so I don't have to like figure it out too much. But we will see how that goes. How much
Is there a specific channel for this one? Because I don't, I can't find that.
when you say specific channel, what do you mean?
So you said that you are building on Mamba and have a specific link where you're tracking this, but I can't find that here. Like
Uh,
as in a channel for that.
like a documentation page or a um
I
like when
mean
you
like a discussion channel where this is happening.
Oh, yeah, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You should see there isn't any discussion in it so far. But you should see a basement AGI club category. If you don't, um,
Yeah, there is. But then there isn't any text channel, there is just a clubhouse. So
okay, so there should be some text channels, and you do have the roles. So if you go up to and you click on the name of the server on top, the Arena Online, click on Show All Channels
yeah.
there, and then see if you can. Then scroll back down and see if you can see it.
Ah, okay, sure I will do.
And let me know if that works because I might have to. I might have to I try basically what I have is I have the server set up so that I can show and hide channels because oftentimes I'll do like a hackathon or whatever in this server. So hopefully if I've set everything up right, I can just like um, hit a toggle and then hide all the channels that aren't related to the event and then hit the toggle again and then hide all the event channels. But it's kind of hard to do. So if you can see it now, um, that would be good information to have because then I know I have to tell people to do the show all channels thing.
It's kind of confusing. So I see I mean, do you need some help with red? And then there's like change your mind on things. I don't think that's relevant and looking for something else. So I just take the part that tells oh there was a repository or knowledge base. I take that. Uh and I see stuff from previous events. I just basically did all the four options, but I
So
still don't see any.
do you see the basement AGI club section at the bottom and does that now have a forum channel and a text channel in it?
No, it didn't. There is still only a what do you call it?
Really?
Like
Okay. I'm gonna
a voice channel message, I
test
think.
here. Let me. Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, I see you. Okay, so I'm gonna ping you right there. Can you see it?
Uh, yeah, I saw
There
it.
you go. So yeah, there's only three channels in that category. So there's also a forum. I'll make a post and see if you can see it. Uh, test posts. Ditcha right there. Okay, can you see that?
I can see it now. Yeah.
There you go. So it was it not showing prior to me doing that ping, or did you just like not see it?
No, it was not there.
It
So
was not
it
there.
suggested,
Interesting.
and I think it's papers, please. Yeah, but
Hmm.
it's wasn't there. And even now, it doesn't show in the AJ club. It shows actually like suggested, like out of nowhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you take a screenshot and like post that in the chat real quick so I can see what that looks like? That'd be super
Yeah.
dope. Is that is because you do have the role. I wonder if let me see if there's another. Oh, I wonder
Uh,
if
I thought
this
it's posted in the general thing.
in here, and we'll give you a ping here.
Um,
Should be a
in the
little,
launch.
yeah, should be a little open chat button. So if you can take a screenshot of what your Basement AGI Club section looks like and post it in there in the lounge chat, that would be helpful. Let's go to
And
creator dashboards.
I don't see the text channel for this one. Oh, okay, okay, got it. It was
There you
very
go.
minor.
Yeah, Discord kind of like hides it. It's like you have to like mouse over the lounge thing and then it'll show you the open chat button. Okay, general.
Yeah, I sent it.
Okay, let's see. Suggested. Okay, so if you scroll all the way down on the left side of the screen, you should see more channels. Does that happen for you?
Yeah, I do see a lot of channels like archive, news, soup kitchen,
Okay.
data feed, drop off, all that. But then under Basement AGI Club, it's just the Clubhouse voice channel. That's it.
Okay, can you screenshot that real quick? That's really weird.
Yeah.
Suggested. I wonder if it's and then let me double check permissions on this category here. Permissions. So everyone can't see. That can see. That's neutral. So this should override that. Um, let's see. Okay.
Yep. I
Gosh,
do.
that's so weird. What the heck? Huh.
Yeah.
That's wild. I wonder why it's doing that. Let me,
Maybe that's why the other person texted in the general chat regarding the Basement AGI Club happening because there was no text chat for the Basement AGI Club.
mm-hmm. Well, yeah, so like on my screen, if I go down and look at it, I see this, which is what you should see, but for some reason you don't. It's like popping up in your recommended channels, which is kind of
Yep.
strange, and I'm not sure why that's happening. Channels, let's see. Assign a channel when giving a member a role in Discord. A role, so I don't want to roll oh well, do I? You can do the following. Select the role that has a VIP, click the plus icon. So if I click this, type in the new channel name, test, create channel, and then so type in the new channel name, select the role that has the VIP pass. Let's see. Okay, create a role. You already have a role. Already got that created. Administer the role to the people. Yes. Click on the plus icon. New channel name. And select the role. Oh, okay. So if I do this, let me delete that. We do this. Oh, they have a new type of channel here. Interesting. So, oh, but this is old Discord. You goofball. Well, while I'm troubleshooting this, at least let me check the lab, and so like I don't have you sitting here with um, no AI to play with. Jupiter. Oh, are we back on this one? Hmm. Let's do that. Login. Doop, doop, doop. Okay, so that's down, but let's see if this is up. Ooh, man, I hope this works. DevOps said that this should work, but we'll see. There we go. Okay, we're up and running. All right, let me shoot you a link real quick here. So if you want, you can see what we've
Okay.
been working on and start playing with stuff. Ba -ba -ba -ba. Let's go. Message. An AGI club. Password. Don't tell Sam. There you go. So that should be a login to the Jupyter lab. Oh, but did my files not get migrated? No, I'm gonna cry. Oh, that's a bummer. Okay, well that's fine, but uh, I don't suppose you've had time to do any migrations. TGI Club is missing stuff. Bum 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 bum. Are you familiar with Jupyter Lab at all? Or like, yeah, like what's your experience level with this kind of stuff, I guess?
Yeah, I've
Mm,
worked with Jupyter Labs,
sweet,
although I use two small VS Code. But yeah, I'm familiar.
sweet. Yeah, it should work just like a, yeah, Jupyter Lab, so like Colab, but you can also select the environment and do like R and Julia and stuff
Yeah,
if that's your shtick. But
but I don't see any files as such.
yeah,
Maybe
there
they're not
isn't
getting
any
created.
files, unfortunately, because I just
Okay.
so what happened was we had an issue with data transfer in the labs, and so my network guys were looking into it, and they were like, "Well, I think we're gonna have to spin up a new one and then migrate all of the old data." But then spinning up the new one took a huge like it was supposed to take like 2 hours, and it ended up taking like 3 days.
Yeah.
So he just got it up this morning, and supposedly plans to uh, 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 migrate the files because they're not gone. He just needs to migrate them. But I suspect he hasn't had time to do any migrations yet.
I see. Okay.
But that brings up the. I should probably make a repo for this stuff so I'm not relying on it staying in the Jupyter lab because tends to get a little shaky.
True.
Let's
But
see.
it's also hard to tag Jupyter notebooks via Git. I think. Yeah.
You do what by Jupyter Notebooks by Git?
Tracking changes to the Jupyter notebook
Mm-hmm.
on Git. It's
Yeah, you
really
can.
worth it. Yeah,
I've,
so
or at
yeah.
least as far as I know, you can. Yeah, which might be good to like save previous states of the notebook too. Probably a thing to do anyway. Let's
Yeah.
see. Let's throw one up
Do those
here.
have like GPU supported?
Yeah, type in NVIDIA SMI and see what you got right there.
Okay, I just typed it inside the notebook with a
Uh,
exclamation before, and it didn't work.
yeah, if you want to do it in a notebook, you got to put the bang before it, or you can just open up a terminal on the other. Should be an A100 on there.
I mean, uh, I did put a bang, and it tells. Oh, I made a spelling mistake.
Oh, damn, do we have all of them? I think we're only supposed to have one, but yeah, if you open
That's
the
a lot of
terminal
GPU.
and you
Uh,
do NVIDIA SMI,
7K.
yeah, we got seven of those puppies, which is a weird number of them to have. I guess when my buddy was getting, so there's a person that we're working with that is it's his data center essentially. And when I believe when this machine was getting installed, one of the techs that was installing it like stripped a screw because they were screwing it in the wrong way. So there's only seven carts
Oh,
on this instead of eight. Thankfully, it was covered by insurance, but it's like, okay, I can't, like, I have to buy a whole new rack if I want eight. So you still got the seven lying around.
that's
I
a
think we're only supposed to get assigned
crazy
one,
amount.
but let's see. Do we have a free card? We do at the bottom. Okay, cool. Well, it's not entirely free, but it should be enough. Let's
That's
see. Let's make a
crazy.
repo here.
I don't
Um,
know anything about Mamba. I wasn't expecting this to be about Mamba, so
mm.
uh, yeah.
Yeah, I just
I'll
sort of
just take a
decided it last
look
minute,
around.
basically.
Oh,
Is there a particular like paper or something that you're interested in implementing, or like wanted a couple of people kind of kicking around on it or something, or are you just kind of like swinging by to see what we were working
so
on?
actually, I'm more interested in learning how to implement papers in general. So I mean, during my master's, I worked with Clip basically. I didn't, I wasn't aware of the internals of transformers, so I felt that was like a big bottleneck for me in terms of doing my research because I couldn't really go deeper. So the method that I used was along the surface level of how Clip works. I was like, okay, it's time to take the time to learn to actually implement and get into the internals of stuff. So yeah, I'm more interested in the general art, if that is the way to put it, of like reading papers and implementing. So I just wanted to
Hmm.
stick around and learn some things.
Yeah, let's see, is this gonna if I do this? Um, Thankfully last week. Okay, so I need to modify this a little bit. Um, Last, or so I think for Mamba, if I'm not mistaken, do I have a crop here? Crop pad, there we go. Um, for Mamba specifically, we Mamba already had code, so we just tried to get that running so we had something to work with. But
Mm.
there was I think it was last week, um, or not last week, it was the week before. So we were working on the self-play instruction tuning paper, which didn't have code at the time. Um, and yeah, the process was largely, or maybe it did actually. I don't recall. Oh yeah, it didn't. It had some code, but then I think it was, I think it was like a couple days after we went through the paper. So we went through the self-play paper to kind of get a good picture of kind of what the process looked like, and then that's all we had time for that day. Um, and then coincidentally, like 2 days later, Lucid Drains came out with a version of the same paper. So thankfully didn't have to like figure it out too much. So long story
Yeah,
short, I haven't we haven't done like a ton of stuff from scratch really. A lot of it has been like grab a paper, grab the code from the paper, try and get it to run. Um, but my hope is that as I start getting used to that, it'll start making more sense of kind of the the components you would use to implement a particular thing that's described in a paper.
yeah, that makes sense. I mean, I actually have looked at some of the implementations of Lucid Rains. I actually really uh like the way he implements the paper. It's very well documented. It's very
Yeah,
well written.
yeah.
So
His
I
the
was
code is
thinking of like,
great, honestly. It's easy to
how do
read.
you see
Yeah.
or how do you go about implementing papers? I didn't get a reply, obviously, because he must be getting a lot of emails. But
Mhm.
yeah, I really like adore the way he does it.
Yeah, I wonder I would be that's actually a good point. I would love to like see if I can like grab him for like 30 minutes and like dig into the methodology
Yeah,
of how he goes about something like that. Cause yeah, his the I like that too. Like the self-play paper had a it has an official implementation that came out a couple weeks later, but honestly, I like Lucid Drain's implementation better. It's just like much more clear. Um, so I would love to
did
get.
he implement it though? I can't see anything from Lucid Range. I think the last one he implemented is ring attention in PyTorch.
Oh, did he
It's from
implement
someone else.
ring
No,
attention?
the one for what you're telling is from a person called UCL UCLAML. I think it's a lab.
Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
the official implementation, but I thought, oh, it might be the self-rewarding paper. Yeah, yeah, I think that's what it is. So we
Ah,
were, yeah, that was the other paper. The kind of the theme was like models teaching themselves basically. So we went through a couple of different papers, and so he did the self-rewarding one, and then the other guys came out with spin. And then actually, it was kind of weird, but when I was like doing this stream of the self play implementation, just somebody who just randomly showed up in Twitch chat and was like, "Hey, I've implemented this paper before, actually." So we ended up with a notebook of
oh,
it. It was pretty wild.
yeah.
Me donos. What's up, lols? How's it going? Pop out chat. We got that. We got that. And then oh, I should check this on X and make sure it's like actually going through. It never updates my title. I'm mad. Turn that off. Turn that on again. Now view again. Please update the title. There we go. Okay. And then we have to pop out this chat. Need better quality, pretty blurry from X. Okay. Quality will be kind of bad on X. Should be better on TV. Uh, showing off the GPUs. Oh boy. I swear we're GPU poor. These are borrowed. Um, okay, something just died here. Hopefully it's not my connection. We'll see. Prob do. Oh wow, yeah, the Twitch title didn't update either. What the heck? Super weird. Yeah, I've only implemented baseline Mamba, but when I Googled Mamba the other day, there was like 20 different versions of Mamba that popped up. So I've kind of been interested in um, uh, the uh, uh, like just that architecture in general and how to do implementations of it. So it's this, and then there's that, and there's this. I can put this over here, and then okay, are we dead? I don't think we're dead. Cool. All right, chat's up, and then we're all good. Let's. Although I should keep this up here too, and then that, and then this, maybe. Okay, I was making a GitHub repo too. Let's make the GitHub repo real quick. Um, da, 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 da. Repos, new. Do that. We're gonna do. Is there a okay? Python. Circuit ignore. MIT. All right, code copy. And then I need to go to work. I need to go to git clone. All right, cool. Um. Oh wait, no, this is not. I need to not do that. Cd work. And then now I can do it. Okay. CD basement. Cool. And then we're gonna do a new Jupyter notebook. I'm gonna move it in here. To 18. Yeah, I think so. I'm like sort of debating between either Mamba or like Mamba stuff, but I Hupo did a stream this morning on a bunch of the like agent papers that just came out, and I'm kind of tempted to do that or take a crack at the world model generator. Let's see, it died, but I have to appreciate you, Los. Very, very kind of you, sir. Let's see. There is an implementation of the thing that I want. It is the let's do basement AGI club. Maybe Mamba, maybe world model thingy from Cornell, maybe whatever. Okay, and then this goes here. Yeah, it is blurry on Twitter. It's super weird. All right, so I'm gonna go to. I think I start it. We'll see. Where's mini formers? LWM, there we go. Did I not start? Oh no, connection dying. Rip. Oh, I shouldn't have restarted, my bad. It might boot you for just a second. Mm, Mini BPE, Lady Val. Is it Nanoformer? Nanotron, that's what it is. I'm tempted to maybe try Nanotron. Okay, let's grab. Go throw this over here. So we have LWM, which I'm just gonna look at real quick and see what the deal is. Let's source graph it. Config load dataset. Uh, Grab that. Grab bloop. Let's see. Vision text processor. Oh yeah, and then ooh, is this a new one? This is 13th February, and then what's Graph Mamba? This is 1st February. Oh, there's a new one. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Codes and models will be available soon. I cry. Graph Mamba. Okay. We may not have the official one, but what we do have is this one. Graph-centric node. Okay. Seems doable. Bloop, please open. Thank you. I need to start using weights and biases. I never do. Should I graph GPS and X former code? Is this a different trans? Oh, well, okay. So it's Mamba. It's a state space model. It's not a transformer model. Sparse transformers for graphs. Troubleshoot Mamba installation. Okay, and we're gonna do add a new repository. There we go. Let's see. I guess I'll show this guy off too, real quick. Do window capture. Hmm. Curious as to why that would not be showing. Strange. Window capture. Huh. Okay. Ooh, did that lock up? Okay. Alright. Well, for whatever reason, it doesn't want to show my other tool. Sad times. Oh, is this going to need to index all of them? Okay. Okay. Otter we're going to remove from projects if we can. Okay. And we're just going to add graph mamba. Oh, cool. We are re-indexing graph mamba. Let's see. Okay, let's do manage repositories. Let's do graph mamba. Oh, are there notebooks for this already? There is. Delightful. All right, well, let's clone this one then. Yay, I don't have to do work. Wonder if Bo Wang's on Twitter. Would he give me a retweet? Maybe. We'll see. Nice. Ooh, and we get torch geometric. I'm so excited. All right, I will be right back. Use the restroom real quick. Let's see. Oh, did the music die? I'll be mad. Good. The stream froze. Still see only the GitHub page. Really? Um, where you watching? It's back fine now. Okay. Sweet. Let's see. Crank this up a little bit. There we go. I wonder if is there a Boang on Twitter? Let's see if we can add him real quick. Um, I hope this is the right. It is. Sick. All right, cool. Yeah, I think torch geometric is new. So hopefully we get to play with the toys. Let's see. Does it run? Oh no. Do we gotta, oh, do I have to deal with this? No, I think I just need to make a cell, don't I? I think this just works. We'll see. Cool. I added Stanford on Twitter. Let's see what we get. We'll see, bro. We'll see. Let's see. Let's take a look at this thing here. Alright, cool. There we go. 2 Twitter viewers, too. Very nice. Punching through that algo, baby. For the Twitter people, I won't be able to see you in chat, by the way. Or, like, if I'm on that tab, I will, but my extension doesn't work for Twitter for some reason. Okay, installing. Does it tell me when it's done? Let me see. Oh, well, yeah, my kernel's going. Okay. Yeah, there's a new... Towards learning on graphs with state space models. Do I need to ingest this first? Is there a PDF? Can you do it, Jippity? I believe. Nice. Yeah, Harper used to have trouble ingesting a whole PDF, but apparently now you go to any PDF on the internet and you hit Alt A and then you start asking questions to it. Very nice, very nice. I love 2024. Yeah, thank you for the ELA 5. GMNs are like super efficient detectives. Very helpful. Successfully installed. Okay, cool. Okay, so we got a bunch of imports. We got Torch Geometric, which I believe there's like a new. There's something new from Torch Geo. It might be Torch Geometric itself that's new. I gotta. I think it's PyG that does it. PyG. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, for whatever reason, this. Maybe it's not new, but it was on GitHub trending today. So when I was doing my obsessive archiving, no module named Mamba SSM. I am assuming. Hmm. Configs, maybe? Mamba? from Mamba SSM. Sir, there is not going to be a Mamba SSM in your notebook. Um, so that doesn't look like. Let me see if I can do a little searchy search here. Very helpful. What? Where's my source graph? What the frick? There we go. There's a tool that I really like called Bloop that is good for navigating repos you're unfamiliar with. But very annoyingly, I think during when it's indexing a repo, it like pops up with the command prompt like 4 times and takes your focus window away from what your focus window is. And I told them about it like last year and they still haven't fixed it. It's very annoying. I'm mad. Otherwise, I would love the tool. Okay, so this must be a PyPy package. Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, pip install mamba SSM. Sounds good. Oh, what the heck? Oh no, it's the NVCC thing again. Yeah, we had to deal with this last week. And I was all excited because I had a notebook that successfully dealt with it, but I don't have that notebook anymore. I'm crying. Okay. Let's see what we can do. NVCC in Jupyter Lab. I wonder if I have a chat conversation about it. Hopefully I do somewhere. Because I remember there being NVCC Jupyter? NVCC for Jupyter, yeah. Okay. May need to restart the kernel. Okay, so we'll see. And then so I'm hoping I don't have to install NVCC. Okay, okay, so do we magic to CUDA? I believe. So I think I need to restart the kernel, don't I? How do I restart the kernel? Oh no. Bye bye. Oh, I didn't. You might have chatted. Let me see. Show enough. Um. Okay, this is so dumb that I have to look this up. Okay, so I don't need bloop, so I can close this. Clicking kernel restart. I'm so dumb. Okay. In theory. Hmm. Okay, I think it was Perplexity that I asked, or maybe it was ChatGPT. Let's see. Okay, nope. Nope. Okay, maybe Perplexity? Let's see. Or maybe Find. Managing RSS tags. Hmm. Let's check Find. I know I'm asked some robot. It's a matter of figuring out. Hmm. Hmm. toolkit does. Okay, so I think I need to do this, right? Ah. Darius, what's good, man? We do be mamba. Okay, let's see. We got a Conda update base forge. I'm cheekily not streaming in Discord, so people have to go give me viewership on any other platform. Sneaky. Bye. Oh no. That's not what I wanted to do. We graphing, bro. We just out here graphing. Okay, I will type this if I have to, but I don't want to. Dun, 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 dun. Bruh, why is it not updating? Hello? Oh, are we good now? We probably are. I think I would see. Okay, yeah, there's no Instagram chat. Oh, is Kick not popped out? That might be a problem. No, it is. I guess we should re-pop it out, I guess. Pop out. Pop out. Chat. Overlay. Launch. Is this the right? Okay, it is the right browser. And then YouTube chat. Pop out chat. Oh my god, why won't this thing... Just double check YouTube and make sure it's actually working. Kind of feels like it's not. Okay, it is. Okay, why is it just not updating? Okay, whatever. Who cares? Who cares, bro? Honda, create, name, mamba, or graph mamba. Oh wait, no. Honda, activate, graph mamba. Wasn't there a thingy? Yeah, I want this. So what I'm concerned about here is I don't know if my Jupyter kernel is going to care that I have successfully installed a CUDA toolkit in my normal environment, because I thought those environments were separate, but maybe CUDA is like transcends all things. Here's hoping. Have I mentioned I love graphs, bro? I love graphs. This is a groove, dude. What, oh, I can't. I can't now playing because I'm playing it through red. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to either have audio or even save this as a VOD. I'm not sure because I'll get copy striked. Why do people care about copyright in the age of AI? I don't know. I can literally just generate this with a Chrome extension. Calm down, bro. Speaking of, shill my friend's Chrome extension. This is what I would use. Where is it? Where did I put it? Yeah, you can do that. It'll like generate stuff. I could be remixing this if I wanted to go through the pain in the ass of trying to route that over to my Discord bot, but I don't. So check it out. It's the patch dash kev on X. To my, I assume, one viewer that is a bot, but maybe more. We'll see. Oh my god, why is Kick offline, bro? Let me check this out here. Get to the bottom of this. Okay, hopefully I will see Kick chats because it restarted. My loyal 1 Kick viewer. 0 Insta. 2 on Twitch. That's probably you, Lils. I appreciate you. And then 0 anywhere else. Okay, why is that unable to connect? Interesting. Oh, I think Restream is having trouble with Insta. Let's discard, it's fine. Okay, supposedly. Okay, now we gotta go back to find and double check it here. Come on, baby. I believe. Alright, cool. Alright, we back on Insta. Cool, cool, cool. Alright. Oh no. Why does my internet die so much, dude? I hate this. One of these days, I'll stop being poor and then I can afford more than poor person internet. But till then, you have to deal with blurry screen, sorry. Looking for GitHub sponsors, lol. Okay. Uh, Not thrilled about that. Accessible in my environment, but it's not. It's not going to be. You goof. Mm, damn it. I wish I. I'm reading my Find conversation from the last time I had to troubleshoot this problem, but unfortunately, I did not tell Find what solved the problem. Okay, so let's double check. Okay. Restart the kernel, maybe? So it doesn't save variables, which is fine. No. Mm. Bin opt conda bin. Okay, maybe. Maybe it's this. Dash dash user dash dash name equals CUDA. And select this. Okay. Let's try it. Let's see if the robot's got it. For real? Mm. I'm gonna need to leave myself some notes of how to do this next time. Dope. Okay, so if I ran that, select this kernel in new kernel in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, I don't see that. Oh, wait. Hell yeah. Let's double check that. Bruh. Oh, yeah, I have to reinstall everything. Make this a little bigger. You gotta install it, bro. Unless you don't. Optconda lib. That concerns me.
I got us some cannons in the trunk. Holy shit, where'd you get all this stuff? Been saving for a rainy day. Yeah, I like.
That's not how that works, is it?
Tommy! What? A big hug for your buddy.
Tell me there's gonna be a brilliant Twitch viewer that wants to come by. Hmm.
This is business.
Hmm. Fuck, why am I pip installing? I'm a dummy. Okay, whatever.
Pulled strings, called in favors. I was your friend, Tommy. I hoped you'd see sense, see what's good for business. I trusted you.
Step on a basketball court, I'm going to put a strong effort out there on the floor. I'm not going to leave anything on the floor. You had the grades, you had the scores to go to college. Why the NBA? It's ultimate challenge. You know, if I was 40 years old and I'm sitting back and I'm looking back at my career, if I went to college,
Let me make sure that's not on screen. Oh, it's not. True. Okay. Mm. I wonder if I need to run this from inside the notebook, maybe? Mix in Conda and Pip. I'm a bad boy. Thankfully, it's just Jupiter kernel. Who cares? Okay. I think I need to do. Mm. Oh, man, I wasn't watching the screen. Rip. Oh, I guess it's still working on that. I wish there was a way for me to see what's going on here. I'll give it some time. Intermission, I guess. Good time to use the restroom. Damn, bro. All right. Oh shit. We got a X viewer. Come to observe the glory that is installing conda packages. The viewer might be me too. Hello. Oh shit. There was an actual viewer. Wild. Or at least it dropped back down to 0. Maybe it stopped registering me. I don't know. Cool. In theory. Alright, let's double check here. So... Okay, so let's try. Hell yeah, boy. Let's do it. I believe. Please. I'm a fucking genius. We about to graph, bro. It's all happening, boys and girls, and other things. Entities. Well, this took me like 9 hours to figure out last time, so it only took me, what, about 2? That's a pretty significant improvement rate. Our learning rate is pretty solid. I'm making ML jokes now, and me. Hoo-wee. Alright, maybe we PR this, just so, other people that are notebooking don't have quite as much of an issue as me. Bruh. On God, I installed it. I just did. The fuck? Is there a different one? I'm just gonna double check. Okay, so I must have to pip install it right here. I think it's like a weird Jupyter Notebook thing. I've ran into this before. The fuck? How does the Mamba notebook itself do it? Okay, so let's go. What we're doing is we are gonna go look at regular Mamba instead of graph Mamba real quick. I guess I should show it, right? Maybe. Mm, um, okay, is the problem that I need to actually clone the whole Mamba repository because the Mamba-SSM package is not giving me the actual Mamba. Do I got graphs hooked up to the Mamba? Somebody else does. I'm just running their code, bro. Should be pretty lit. Oh wow, is my frickin' is my Twitter? Oh, my Twitter chat is working because it's Restream chat. Got it, got it, got it. Okay, cool. So I don't have to camp that. Yes, graphs are hooked up to the Mamba. I just can't import the Mamba. So, it's gonna get graphy in here, bruh. What? There's no module named Mamba SSM, even though I just successfully installed Mamba SSM. I'm mad. I heated. So I'm overlooking at the Mamba repo itself, or the Mamba pipe package rather. And when it gives a usage example, it also says, like this is the correct way to import it. So I'm not sure what the deal is. Probably gonna ask a robot here in a second if I can't grok it myself. But yeah, I don't know if you caught it, Maven, but this little puppy is trending on GitHub today. So I don't know if it's new or what. I haven't used it before, but they put graphs in my torch, so I'm happy. I'm a happy boy. Okay, let's ask a robot. How do we fix this? Mm. So it had a missing Mamba last time. Because I feel like this is supposed to train, isn't it? Let's double check. Well, yeah, because Mamba SSM should be training code. It should not be like, here's the whole ass model, right? Pretty sure. Mamba SSM import Mamba. Okay. Alright, let's just copy paste the whole damn thing. Mm. I hate that they don't give me GPT-4 on Find anymore. Like, I want to use your product, bro. Please stop, like, hamstringing me from doing that. Fix your game, Find. Fix your game. Bruh. I literally can't copy paste from this. Like this, yeah? Okay, it says pip list. Sure. Let's get to the bottom of it. Yep, I got it right here. Because this is it mad because I'm mixing Conda and Pip? It probably is, I bet. Big mistake, bro. Yeah. I think I just messed something up badly. Oh no. Okay, whatever. We'll figure this part out and then we'll fix it. Worst case, you just copy paste it back from the repo, right? Pass Python interpreter. Oh yeah, maybe we need to restart the kernel. Maybe. All right, what's our error now? Okay, I have to. Alright, where's our graph, Mamba? Where'd it go? What? Why is it like, why is this broken now? What the hell? I'm very confused. Okay, so now that's fucking weird. Cool, cool, cool. Love it.
With agendas, I sit amongst my members involved, and like ours, we dialogue over dinners and carve. Close curtains, expose no person. Privacy's a part of the we globally merging.
That's kind of sus. What if we rerun this? Is it gonna install our parse again? Hmm.
Emerald stones just chilling my ring. Every day this time got its
I mean, yeah, worst case, we just clone the repo. Ugh. Gross, dude. No shot that, like, I'm so confused. I'm so confused. I hate Python, bro. Like, sure, it's a comfy, easy language for babies that writes like English, which is very handy. But whenever I write Python, I'm not writing Python. I'm just like fighting with environments for 9 hours and then crying a lot. Here we are, though. Here we are.
Everybody get money, right?
Just run it again, real quick. Just to check it out. I believe. Amazing. Alright, you know what? Fuck it. We're doing it. Big guns, boys and girls. Oh my god. I mean, okay, so what if we just say fuck this whole notebook thing? And we just run this bitch raw. That's the move, I think. Because I know that this environment is set up correctly. So let's just do that. Notebooks are hard. I don't know how that fucking stupid kernel shit works. Mm-mm-mm. Um, the conda install dash file. Mm-mm-mm. We hooking up the graphs, bro. We hooking them up. It's happening. Bruh. What? What the fuck? Okay, I'm assuming that I'm not supposed to do that. Okay. Please. I swear they exist, dude. Oh my god. Refer to poetrysteps.txt. Poetry, please. Save me, bro. virtual ends inside of virtual ends inside of virtual ends. I'm gonna fucking KMS myself. I wish Baco was here, dude. Baco knows what he's doing when it comes to these. Probably. Sure. Ooh, baby. I'm just gonna put this on screen on stream real quick. Can I like paste images into a cell here? That'd be cool. Oh, I can't. Blah, 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 blah. What do? I do Discord. That's what I do. Just so y'all are aware. Dun, 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 dun. This little buddy. This little message from our friend database here made a simple knowledge graph generator for consuming documents a couple months back. And we're working on graph mambas, so there might be some dope shit coming up. Just saying. If I can ever get these environments resolved, please God save me. Can I just do this? Okay, they're commented out, so I'm assuming that's supposed to be the thing. Why is there some very interesting interesting commands here? Don't you love trying to install bleeding edge state space models, and all of us are dealing with the nightmare of Python environment management? Why am I tired already? This should not be exhausting me. Ooh, a Twitter notification. Come on, Stanford. Oh no, just frickin' Swix's tweet. I know you're interacting with Swix, okay? Man has a big old podcast. I'm just some dude with a fucking Jupyter notebook. That's concerning. Why am I poetry installing? Oh, so I guess I just have to no root it then, yeah? Okay. Well, these are the steps, bro. So. Okay, well, so it just. Why? What the. Oh my god. Okay, so do I need to install. Okay, so do I use Pi virtual env to grab a 3.9? Okay, I don't think 311 is gonna work. I think I need 3.9. There's a reason they want 3.9. Is there like a Python use something? Okay, fine. Tell me how to do this. Doesn't that mean 3.9 or higher?
At 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple unidentified objects were confirmed to have entered Earth's atmosphere. It is speculated that
For a
these
what?
objects are of extraterrestrial origin.
Okay,
Broadcast will quiet
helpful.
at this time for your safety.
This is in. Warning. True aliens are attacking the White House. I repeat, true aliens are attacking the White House.
Okay. Not really thrilled that we're in 311, but fuck it. Let's see if it works. Uninstall and reinstall. Oh, I got an autocomplete there? Dope. Okay, and then if you get if seg dump uninstall and reinstall. Use this line to build from source. Okay, so hopefully we don't need to. I hope this CUDA version is not gonna fuck shit up. Nah. Oh no.
Extraterrestrial origin. All residents within a 50-mile radius should seek an underground shelter now. Do not go outside for any reason. You will be incinerated by these aircraft.
Okay. Let's build it from source then, baby. Okay, if I'm in God, okay, I hope I'm not fucking up the conda. Whatever. Worst case, we just throw away the container and do it all over again. It's fine. Hope Ops is happy with the devs coming in here and fucking breaking the thing it took him 3 days to set up. LOL. IGlib. No matching distro. Alright, we're probably gonna call it in like 20-30 minutes. I usually schedule these till like 3. So hopefully next week there will be somebody smarter than me that can help me stumble my way through getting these environments set up. I really need to make sure that I record my steps next time though. Thankfully I am recording this stream this time for once in my life, so. Wait, this didn't tell me to do Poetry Shell. This fuck it, man. I do be lost, bro. Too many errors. Okay, how do I exit a Poetry Shell? baby. Tell me we're good. I really hate that this is. Okay. If it's poetry, then poetry should be taking care. Well, no, because I'm not in the shell. Right? So why does this not have a... Okay, so it's activated. Okay, hopefully this isn't gonna fuck with my condo, but we'll see. Yeah. Ooh, we got some tensor board. Tensor board X, I haven't heard of that. Mm, mm, mm. Please? Please? Okay. The fuck? Let's see. Let's see if we can do it. We'll see. I'm gonna KMS myself, bro. Fine, help me. Correct. Okay, I can't. Um. asking find how to limit my poetry install to 3.10. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna do. Yeah, see? We're doing 3.9. Bro, why are you. That's literally not the question I asked. God damn it, Find. Like, guys. No, it won't. It's not gonna do that. Did I pip install it? Fucking second. Okay, yeah, I'm just like confusing myself, I think. Oh, but yeah, I don't know. I fucked these environments up way too badly at this point. Using 4 different environment managers. I have to restart my shell. Okay. 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 Well. We. I love Python. It's my favorite. Please report this to pip issues? Bruh. Missing open SSL, missing, okay. Oh, okay. I hate Python, bro. Literally every project I do in this language, I spend way more time doing this shit than I do actually running any Python code. It is unbelievable. Like, why is there a 30 frickin' page list of common build This is so. I hope like Mojo fixes it or something. Or like, why does it have to be this way? Like, I thought I hated NPM. I had no idea how good I had it. I'm unironically renaming Basement AGI Club to Fighting with Python Environments Club. I burned 9 hours last weekend doing this too. This is just aggravating, bro. I'm probably gonna have to put it down. Why would you not like say like, hey, here is how you install PyOpenSSL? Like, why would you not put that anywhere in your README? This is so dumb. Here is the actual command that you need to use. Installation. Yeah, I'm pip installing it, bro. Like, I'm so far down the rabbit hole here that I don't even. I'm like losing track of what all the stuff I need to work on. Installing it. Alright, I use the restroom. Oh my god, did it actually run? That's amazing. Okay. Sure. Oh wait, no, I need to reinstall. Okay, and then we go back to PyEnv. Alright, and then we do global. Okay. Sure, dude. Oh, it's shims. Oh my god. Okay. Hopefully we can just. Hopefully it's fine. Please. Fucking knock it off. All right, 5 more minutes, and then I am gonna take a break. 'Cause, okay, this is triggering me, bro. Thank you, baby Jesus. Okay, so what was the point of all that? Fake poetry install. See, everything's gonna work perfectly now. It'll all be fine. No. Bruh, what? Let's double check that real quick. It do. Directory named graph mamba in your project root that contains the. Well, of course there isn't. Do I need to CD up?
Yeah, we gonna holler.
Which graph mamba might not have a source directory. It contains the Python. Okay, so I'm just gonna make dir graph mamba. I'm just gonna fucking move everything in there, I guess. Graph Mamba contains an init.py. All right, boys and girls. That was generally a failure, but I need to call it here. This is making me mad, and I'm tired, and I need to eat lunch and other excuses, etc. Um, Hopefully, maybe later tonight or maybe on the next episode, I will bring somebody who actually knows what they're doing to help me deal with the monstrosity that is Pyenv and Conda and Poetry and Pip and a bleeding edge research project that may or may not have all of its steps correct. And hopefully we will get some graph mambas going, and then we can follow up